The thing about IOSM is it's such a difficult problem to solve, and there are so many different ways of using it as well that we just need everybody in the room.
In-orbit space manufacturing is just the very, very beginning of what it can do.
IOSM really is the next step for humanity to become a spacefaring civilization. For us to expand across the solar system, we do need to start building stuff in space, not just for use on Earth, but for use in space.
The natural resources we have on Earth are finite. The solar system, and certainly the universe, we think is infinite. And that opportunity to leverage those materials fundamentally changes the balance of those very finite natural resources we have here.
We're kind of at the forefront of the next industrial revolution in space. You know, nearly anyone can have a satellite.
The biggest challenges in developing the IOSM sector are to do with bringing the non-space side in.
We're really trying to break open the industries who are not the traditional space players. So I think for IOSM, that's going to be the big change in the next 5 years. So it won't just be the space companies who are doing in-orbit space manufacturing, but it'll be companies like pharmaceuticals, medical companies, university researchers, and the cosmetic company that can actually do manufacturing in space.
To date, I think the UK has shown that it has a strategy to try to address some of these markets in the future, provided there's support and platforms for people to exchange ideas and build new mission concepts. I think that's going to be critical in the future.
The truth of space is that it's difficult, it's complex, it's hard. We're exploring the unknown, doing new things. I'm proud to be part of a community that's going to be pushing the very boundaries of space itself in order to bring the benefits to Earth for our generation and for generations to come.